If you have a gymnastic club, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your gymnastic club business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry in WhatsApp regarding price, registration, info, updates and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your gymnastic club business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here, I will type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me, and with that they have provided me 3 action button: register my child, view schedule and competition info. I'm going to click on competition info. As soon as I have selected competition info, they have given me information about the upcoming competition, and with that also they have provided me 2 action button: menu and talk to support. I have selected the menu option. As soon as I have selected the menu option, I got initial message again. This time I'm going to select view schedule. As soon as I've selected view schedule, they have offered me 3 batches: junior, intermediate and advanced. With that also they have provided me 2 action button: talk to support and menu. I'm going to click on talk to support. As soon as I have selected talk to support, they have delivered me a message which says our front desk is available Monday to Saturday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Response time is within 15 minutes. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much fun and better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for gymnastic, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your gymnastic club business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features which are given inside the flow start keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use Regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start, and over here, I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to provide a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button and select the text plus button. Now here I'm going to enter my welcome message which says welcome to FlexFit Board, your gymnastic club assistant. Help you stay on track with training, schedule and updates all on WhatsApp, whether you are new parent looking to enroll or already part of our team. We are here to help. What would you like to do today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text. Register my child, view schedule and competition info. Now for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with register my child. For doing registration, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button. And over here, I'm going to ask my question. To register your child, please reply with child full name. I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as text. I'm going to increase my number of attempts for my customer so that they can attempt multiple times. After that, I'm going to ask about their age. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and here I'm going to enter my message. Please reply with age. I'm going to select my contact custom field as age and my format as any. Last thing I want to know is about preferred day. I'm going to drag and drop, ask question again, connect with my previous question, and here I'm going to enter my message. Please reply with preferred day, weekday or weekend. I'm going to select my contact custom field as details and my format as any. After knowing about their details, I'm going to send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Our team will confirm seat availability and next step. With that, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and need help. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone select on this menu button, they will get initial message again. And I'm going to give a separate message for talk to support. For that, I have dragged and dropped, select the text plus button and enter my message, where I have mentioned that our team will contact them as soon as possible. Our response time is from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday, and we respond within 15 minutes. With that, I'm going to move to my second action button, which is view schedule. To give information about schedule, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text plus button and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned that we offer age group based batch, juniors 4 to 7, intermediates 8 to 11 and advanced age 12 above. With that also I have provided two action button, menu and need help. Again, I'm going to connect this menu option with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have recently put for talk to support like this. With that, I'm going to move forward to my third action button, which is competition info. To give information about competition, I'm going to again drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, details about our upcoming competition. And with that also I have provided two action button, menu and talk to support. Again, I'm going to connect this menu option with our initial message, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support. As you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for gymnastic club business. On to our last step. Don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.